Benefits of Jamaican Black Castor Oil for healthy hair growth. Did you know that there's a very close link between Jamaican Black Castor Oil and hair growth? By applying this natural remedy to your hair, you help encourage the hair to grow longer, thicker and faster, for a gorgeous head of hair that stays strong and shiny. This versatile oil has a whole host of applications and plenty of advantages for those who use it. Boasting benefits to your skin, hair and overall well-being. Doctors used castor oil as medication for a variety of ailments. It's also used to make a wide range of products from soaps, perfumes and dyes to brake fluids, waxes and paints. JBCO Castor Oil is often used as a natural moisturizer for the skin. It helps in nourishing and hydrating the skin, making it useful for dry skin conditions. Jamaican Black Castor Oil works for all hair types and textures. A healthy scalp means healthy hair. It works for all hair types because the oil works on the hair roots follicles, and not the hair itself. Jamaican Black Castor Oil is more effective than the clear pharmacy castor oil because of the ash content due to roasting of the beans. JBCO Castor Oil is renowned for its numerous benefits for hair health. Here are 10 of them. 1. Promote hair growth. JBCO helps promote hair growth. It also keeps your hair soft, moisturized, and strong, helps encourage the hair to grow longer, thicker and faster, for a gorgeous head of hair that stays strong and shiny. Mix up a combination of 1 teaspoon black castor oil, 1 tablespoon coconut oil and 5 drops of an essential oil of your choosing, or peppermint oil. 2. Antimicrobial properties. It contains compounds that have antimicrobial properties, which may help in fighting off certain types of bacteria and fungi when used topically. JBCO is also a natural antibacterial and antifungal, so it's great for those who have flaky or itchy scalp conditions. 3. Strengthens hair. The omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids in Jamaican Black Castor Oil can both do wonders for thin and easily breakable hair. These acids will nourish the scalp and strengthen the hair roots, as well as improve blood flow to the scalp, which in turn encourages new hair growth, helping to treat thinning hair. 4. Moisturizes scalp. Jamaican Black Castor Oil can help promote hair growth, moisturize dry hair, strengthen thin hair. Its moisturizing properties help prevent dryness and flakiness on the scalp, reducing dandruff and nourishing hair follicles. 5. Promotes eyebrow and eyelash growth. Some individuals use castor oil to encourage the growth of eyebrows and eyelashes. Applying it with a clean mascara wand may help nourish the hair follicles. 6. Prevents split ends. Help in hair growth. Prevents split ends and breakage of hair. It helps in thickening the hair shaft, and prevent thinning of hair, and stimulates hair growth. How to use. On clean and wet hair, apply a little oil on your fingertips, and with circular movements. 7. Adds shine. Castor oil forms a protective coat on the hair shaft, enhancing its natural shine and luster. Your friends will ask you what your secret to a radiant head of hair is. 8. Thickens hair. Jamaican Black Castor Oil can help promote hair growth, moisturize dry hair, strengthen thin hair, prevent hair breakage, and heal and prevent split ends. Jamaican Black Castor Oil can be used on a variety of hair types from thick and curly to thin and straight. 9. Stimulates circulation. It stimulates the scalp, improving blood circulation, and revitalizes your hair follicles. This promotes faster and healthier hair growth, offering you thicker and more vibrant hair over time. 10. Natural hair detangler. With proper use, castor oil keeps your hair free from knots and tangles, while making sure it's moisturized. This, combined with its natural ability to help circulate blood flow in your scalp, is a formula for healthy hair and growth. Remember to perform a patch test before using castor oil extensively to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Additionally, always use pure, cold-pressed castor oil for the best results, and consult a healthcare professional before using it internally. However, castor oil should never be used by pregnant women who aren't under medical care, as it can lead to dangerous pregnancy complications. Hope you liked the video and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and support our channel Miss Healthy.